A cluster is a collection of servers called nodes, any of which can run the workload or workloads common to the cluster. Thus, if a server in the cluster experiences a hardware or software failure, the cluster software detects it and starts the service on another node in the cluster. The aim of a cluster is to provide the availability of specific services within a system landscape. Availability is reached by reducing downtime using redundant cluster nodes. A common setup consists of 2 cluster nodes, which is the minimum for redundancy. If one server node crashes, the second node takes over the clustered services and secures the availability. This architecture is called a 2-node cluster or a failover cluster. According to the demands of availability, the number of server nodes can be increased to minimize the risk of failure of a node. Modular redundancy is a simple but powerful tool for masking failures and increasing availability. And it can be used at any convenient level of granularity, even a whole room full of servers. Microsoft Windows Server includes a cluster feature they refer to as a failover cluster. They define a failover cluster as a group of independent computers that work together to increase the availability and scalability of clustered nodes. The clustered servers are connected by physical cables and by software. If one or more of the cluster nodes fail, other nodes begin to provide the service. In addition, the clustered nodes are proactively monitored to verify that they are working properly. If they are not working, they are restarted or moved to another node. Failover clusters also enable access to shared storage. This feature is called clustered shared volume. The bottom line is that with failover clustering, users can experience a minimum of disruptions in service.